Hi, this is Travel Award Search. Searching the Alaska Airlines website at alaskaair.com for award flights using Alaska Mileage Plan miles. We're going to do two example searches today. One in a known sweet spot for domestic travel and one for international travel. So let's start with the domestic travel. We went to a wedding a couple years ago in Iowa, so small airport, a little bit more difficult to find flights and a little more expensive for flights. So we're going to search from Dallas-Fort Worth to that airport in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Now be sure and click one way and use miles. And this screen comes up immediately when you go to the Alaska Airlines website, so it's not a problem to find it. We selected a Thursday in May, say a little bit before a wedding, and as usual we're going to search for just one adult and click Find Flights. And here we go. So on this date we have an evening flight for only 4,500 miles and $19 in fees per person. This flight costs around $500 round trip. So that's still an excellent deal. Or you can even fly in first class for 9,000 miles. And you notice that, for example, in this first class flight, it shows you only 2 left. So if it does not have a note, it means there are several left. I've seen it noted when there are 4 tickets left. So if there's no note, generally it should indicate that there's at least 4 tickets available. If we want to look at other dates, we can go to this Change Your Search and just click on the flexible dates. We could have done this at the beginning as well. And then again, Find Flights. And you see you come up with a little bit different screen. And it will show you the awards available by date. And you can see lowest available is checked here on the left side. And the 4,500 points plus $19 is the lowest available. And that's a pretty big sweet spot. So you can see you can get that rate on several different dates. I had also done this search from Houston, since that is actually my home base, with a little bit different result. You can see here that for Houston, you're talking about 12,500 miles and slightly more in fees, $24. So if we look at that same date, the 15th, we have a flight for 12,500 miles, but taking 14 hours going through Charlotte. Not very acceptable. Now I looked at Friday and again at Saturday and it showed the same thing. However, if I go back to change my search and try it again, I get results in a different system and it shows the flights through Dallas. Now 12,500 miles is still a good deal. It is about the same level of points that you get when searching on American Airlines. So it really depends whether you have access to the American Airlines Advantage points or whether you have access to Alaska Airlines points. They're both relatively hard to get. American Airlines Advantage points have no transfer partners. The Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan has Bilt as a transfer partner, Marriott Bonvoy, but at a 3-to-1 ratio, so that's not very good. Or you can transfer American Express points to Hawaiian Airlines, who is merging with Alaska Airlines, and then transfer from Hawaiian to Alaska. So it's a 2-step process. American Express does charge 60 cents per 1,000 points for transfers to US-based airline frequent flyer programs, which does include Hawaiian, The other programs included in that are Delta and JetBlue. So this is one of the sweet spots for Alaska Airlines mileage plan miles. You can see it was definitely a real sweet spot from Dallas and not a bad redemption at all from Houston. Now let's take a look at searching for an international business class fare. So I'm going to go into the search screen, click one way as usual. So now let's do an example of a business class international flight search. And in this example, we're going to go from Houston, and it does allow you to select all airports, which is nice, to Tokyo, and the same for Tokyo. Make sure use miles is checked. We're going to look at departing in October, one adult, and click the flexible dates. So this brings up the other search screen format and the calendar below, and no ability to click on business in October. And at first I was concerned that the calendar only allowed you to find economy flights or whatever the lowest available is. But if we go and look at December, it allows us to click on business and we see some availability here. But I don't really want to go today or tomorrow. But what that allows us to do is to look at the rest of the calendar, and it allows us to see if there's any availability in every month. Now these flights in January may surprise you with the very high fees. It is because it's on British Airways through London to Tokyo, and there are very high fees on British Airways going through London. So we can go through here for all the different months and see if there's any availability. And it does not show anything in September or October, so this search wasn't very successful for what I wanted it to do, but it has shown me whether there was any availability for a full month instead of having to look at every day. Now, if we search for something like Los Angeles, we may have more luck. So here are the results that loaded for November, although it took quite a while compared to what I've got in this video. And we do see one date with a good redemption rate of 75,000 miles. So let's take a look at that. And that is actually a non-stop flight from LA to Haneda, just outside of Tokyo. An excellent redemption, and if that would be a date you'd want to go, that would definitely be something to take advantage of. A few notes on searching on the Alaska Airlines website. First of all, there are sweet spots for domestic flights, particularly from hubs of American or Alaska. There are two different search screens and systems that are in effect right now. So if you don't get the results you want at first, go ahead and try executing the search again to see if you might get a different result in another screen, as we did for the Houston flight to Cedar Rapids. Only search on Alaska Airlines if you have access to Alaska Miles. The site is a bit clunky. I have edited this video to take out the wait time. It does take quite a bit of time to load each time you change a search at all. The American Airlines website is a much easier place to search for OneWorld overall availability. That's how to search on Alaska Airlines website. We hope you enjoyed this Travel Award Search video. If you did, please support us by giving us a like, subscribing to the channel, or sharing the video with friends that might be interested too. Check out our Travel Award Search website at, you guessed it, travelawardsearch.com, and join our Facebook group where we post a lot of news about sales and other information on traveling on points, so you can make them go further and travel wisely, travel well. Thank you.